Hi, I'm Melody from Contours Holidays, and this is my dog, Effie. We volunteered to check out the Lincolnshire Coast Path with the hopes of offering it to our walking customers as an exciting new holiday option. There's a particular reason why I decided to try this trail. I have an impairment that affects my balance, so things like steep hills and stiles are a bit challenging for me. The Lincolnshire Coast Path, however, is a mostly flat, obstacle-free route, making it ideal for beginners and those with mild mobility issues like myself. The Lincolnshire Coast Path was officially opened in 2019 as part of the England Coast Path National Trail. This route showcases a wealth of history, diverse wildlife and countless attractions to take in. Our Lincolnshire Coast Path walking holiday starts at the Gibraltar Point National Nature Reserve, an area filled with different species of plants, mammals and birds, before meandering north to Skegness. This famous Victorian town is just one of several holiday resorts along the route, each packed with things to see and do. In between these tourist hotspots, you'll find long stretches of tranquil, sandy beaches and well-surfaced promenades. Look out for the intriguing landmarks dotted along the way, including the North Sea Observatory at Chapel Point and the Cloud Bar at Anderby Creek, the world's first purpose-built cloud watching platform. At the end of the walk is Mablethorpe, another well-loved seaside town with lots of activities to enjoy. Whether you choose to hit the arcades, sample locally caught seafood, or relax on the Blue Flag beach with an ice cream, Mablethorpe is the perfect finishing point to an excellent coastal walk. Overall, the Lincolnshire Coast Path is a great route to suit walkers of all ages and abilities. It's an easy, relaxed walk with something for everyone to enjoy, while also offering a unique glimpse into the region's industrial history and valuable wildlife conservation efforts. For more information, visit contours.co.uk/Lincolnshire Coast Path.